Hens are back. Come in to get a little feed. Mama just stepped off around the back of one of the buildings out here. You can't see her right now, and I know she's not gone far. It looks like their spots are starting to fade just a little bit. They're not quite as bright as they have been. They will as they get a little older. So, if y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share the videos, notification bell so you know when I post up another one. I've been getting a lot of good pictures of these little babies coming into the backyard. I would appreciate it. It'd help the channel out a lot.